warm greetings to all. On behalf of Dayal Singh family, I welcome you to Orientation Ceremony 2021-2022. I am Priya Kapoor, headmistress of the school. In this pandemic situation, this is the best way to introduce myself, my team, and the school that you have chosen for your child. So let me first begin by welcoming you to be a part of Dayal Singh Public School, Dayal Singh Colony, Karnal. Welcome to the family. We are absolutely delighted to have you with us, and we are confident that it's going to be a long and beautiful journey for both of us, you as a parent and we as an educator, because we both want the best for our children. To fulfill the dreams of our great founder, Sardar Dayal Singh Majithia, Dayal Singh Public School was established in Dayal Singh Colony in 1983. Since then, the school has not only grown, but has also established itself as one of the best institutions. We have always aimed at producing responsible and capable citizens. Our motive is to have an all-round development of our children. Now, a little bit about myself. I am an alumni of St. Teresa Convent School. I did my graduation in History Honors and Masters in History and English. Then for a year, I went to Delhi to pursue my marketing, public relation, and advertisement. And recently, I successfully completed the certificate program in value education. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Suddenly the screen was gone.
Okay.
So this is what I was telling you about myself. Now, for a very short period, I also served and worked with St. Teresa Convent School. But since 1999, I am working with Dayal Singh Public School. I served Dayal Singh Public School Sector 7, which is our sister branch, for 21 long years. And I was also one of the core members of Humanities Department. During these 2 decades, my services were appreciated and applauded by my management and reputed institutions in the town. I have also 3 Best Teacher Awards to my credit. Recently, I was promoted as headmistress and transferred to Dayal Singh Public School, Dayal Singh Colony, Karnal, with the responsibility to establish the Department of Humanities. Dear parents, we are proud to inform you that from the present session 2021-2022, we have opened registration for the humanities also. We are also proud of our faculty, teammates. I will not be wrong if I say we are blessed to have a wonderful team who works round the clock to take school to new heights. A good principal has to be a good captain. She has to work with a lot of people every day. And we are blessed to have our captain in Mrs. Sushma Devgan, who is not only our mentor, but also our guide, counselor, and our role model. Her patience and dedication helps and motivates us to bring the best out of us. We also have highly qualified and dedicated teaching faculty, modern laboratories with latest equipments. Our teachers make education interesting by using playway methods. We are well equipped with latest teaching aids, and we also use modern audiovisual aids to teach our children. We also have well-stocked library. We emphasize on the all-round development of our children. Dear parents, education is not just about the 3 R's. It is about helping a child seek more. It's about helping them communicate, to dream more, and eventually to be more. It's a limitless canvas, and we want every child to paint on it. We strongly believe that education is a collective accomplishment of schools and parents. So, dear parents, let us join hands to bring the best out of our children. This is possible only when we become the good role models as parents and as educators. Please spend more time with your children, because it is very important to give them time. They need you. So please take time out of your hectic schedules and give them your precious time. Avoid using negative comments in front of them. Encourage your child and tell them to use positive comments, because what you will give them, they will follow that. What you will say, they will listen that. Don't overreact in front of your child, because your child will follow you step by step. Keeping this present situation in mind, we are going online for LKG and UKG. So our teachers will be taking online classes on daily basis for 5 days, Monday to Friday. You are requested, dear parents, to read the messages properly and follow the instructions which will be uploaded in the class WhatsApp group from time to time. In case of any doubts, please feel free to contact the class teachers. You can leave the message also if by chance call is not received. The class teacher will definitely revert back to you. Saturdays will be utilized for activities and interactive sessions. Parents, please keep the dialogues open. Please be forthcoming, because we welcome your suggestions and feedback. Suggestions and feedbacks are for improvements. Of course, there will be times when we will not be able to implement all the suggestions and feedbacks. Few of them will definitely not be implemented, but we will explain it to you why we cannot do it. Maybe because of logistic reasons, maybe because of rules and regulations, or maybe because it won't work for everyone except you. So we will have open discussions and can come to a consensus. We all believe discipline starts from home and it is continued in schools. We all wish our children grow up with certain rules and regulation in mind. So it is very important to set some rules at home. 2 things you should all follow: trust and patience. You have already trusted the school with your child. So trust our policies, trust your teachers, trust your headmistress, trust your principal, and somewhere down the line, if you ever feel or find your trust shaky, talk about it, not to others, but to us, and we will look for solutions. Be patient, dear parents. Please be very patient with your child. Always remember, no 2 children are the same. So don't compare your child, because if you will compare your child, they will compare you with other parents. And trust me, you will never like it. So stop comparing your child. Remember, every child is an individual. So let him grow as an individual. Being patient is also a very strong virtue. So please be patient with your child. All children grow well. They all come out good in one way or the other. And if there will be any problem, school will definitely inform you. But till then, please trust and please be patient and have a wonderful, wonderful next few years with Dyal Singh Public School, Dyal Singh Colony, Karnal. Last but not the least, I hope that your wholehearted cooperation, support, and trust will be with us forever. Now I hand over to Neeti ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. A very warm, pleasant morning to my dear respected parents and my ever charming learners. Friendly, enthusiastic, loving, jolly is what describes me. Hi, I Neeti Palia, coordinator for classes LKG to 2nd, feel privileged and honored to be with you all today. I have been connected with this prestigious institute from last 7 years. I am an alumni from St. Teresa's Convent. Following, I pursued my bachelor's in technology from Doon Valley Institute. I've worked with Wipro 2 years as system analysis. Then, going towards my interest, being with kids, I pursued B.Ed and joined this beautiful institute. This institute has always provided platform to kids as well as teachers to prove their abilities. After this complete year from teaching behind the desk, now let's begin our new journey of learning with enthusiasm, energy, and smiles. None of us is as smart as all of us. When we are one, we can do wonders. We all have come together to sow the seed who are our little gems. By staying together, connected, and being respectful towards each other, we will turn the seed into sapling. And by working together as a team, we will be successful in turning our seeds to fruitful, flourishing trees full of values and intellect. As our headmistress rightly said, every child is born with a special quality. We can never compare two kids. Everyone is born with a different special potential. I strongly believe in building personality of students, making them self-dependent and responsible. So let's work in unity, dear parents, by being supportive, friendly. Let's open our heart out to solve all the obstacles which come our way. For any sort of query, doubt, teachers are always in the forefront to help. Further, you can contact me for any assistance. Let this association be a stack of moments for kids to cherish these memories throughout their life. Thank you, and I welcome you all.
Hey everyone, a very good morning to all the parents. This is Tina Thareja. I'm working as an IT professional and a coordinator for Milestone Curriculum. And I am also an alumni from St. Teresa's Convent School. I've worked over there for 7.5 years. And here in Dyal Singh Public School, I'm working since 2008. That is for 12 years. Milestone is a school curriculum which believes in learning by doing. It never promotes cramming, It only promotes understanding. It believes in understanding the concept, not cramming the concepts. Even the rhymes and the stories are not crammed, but they are understood. The questions are asked from that, and every child is able to tell all the questions, answer all the questions asked. So this curriculum was designed with a vision to bring change in the education system that makes students learning very easy. It is a complete knowledge packet which works on the base clarity instead of running with the syllabus that we never do. Milestone ensures that the students become active participants in the learning process instead of being passive recipients of the information. It is a smart curriculum and believe in activity-based learning. We have one app also known as Milestone app, in which you'll be getting all the soft copies of the book and even the digital content of the top topics. And today you'll be getting all the IDs and the passwords to log into the app, and even you'll be getting a video which will be telling you each and everything, how to download the app and how to log into the app and what all contents you can see in the app, right? And if anyone has any kind of problem related to the app or your live classes, you're most welcome to call me anytime before 6 p.m. and WhatsApp message me anytime. So it's your wish, and thank you so much. Now I request Sunana ma'am to please introduce herself. Thank you.
Good morning, dear parents. I am Sunana Gandhi, teaching as a staff member of Dyal Singh Public School, Dyal Singh Colony.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, I will be the class in charge of LKG Lily. As I have told you yesterday also, I have made the groups.
Good morning.
Surena ma'am, kindly unmute yourself.
Muted?
Yeah, now.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. Good morning, dear parents. I am Sunana Gandhi, teaching as a staff member of Dyal Singh Public School, Dyal Singh Colony. I will be the class in charge of LKG Lily. Yesterday I have made group also. Parents are known to me, I think. Even in these COVID times, I'll try to create a friendly and comfortable environment with my kids as well as parents. So I hope I'll come up with your expectations. Thank you so much. So I'll hand over this mic to Mrs. Rachna Sachdeva.
Rachna ma'am, unmute yourself.
Hi.
अच्छा बोलो हाय करो.
Hi.
करो.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, bache. Kids are very excited to come to school to meet their teachers.
Okay. I, Bhavna Malik, class in charge of LKG Lotus, extend a warm welcome to you all to this new academic session. And for the smooth conduction of this session, I'm going to share a few points with you all. So as ma'am said, our headmistress ma'am said, there will be 5 classes in a week, online classes. So all of you are requested to help your ward to attend the class on regular basis. Please don't miss these classes. Once in a while, if there is any urgency, it's okay. Otherwise, it's a request to attend all the online classes. Dress up your ward smartly during the online class, and sitting posture of child must be proper like a classroom. activities folder should be maintained properly, which were done in the class. Okay, you all are also requested to make your ward participate in all the activities and competitions on regular basis, which will help in building confidence and enhance the learning skills of your child. So don't miss this opportunity. You have to submit the assignments also done by the kids to the teacher whenever asked. And from 5th April onwards, we will have our online class on MS Teams. Today, we are having our meeting on Zoom, but on 5th April onwards, we have our online classes on MS Teams. Videos for the same will be shared with you today itself. After that also, if you are getting any problem or facing any problem regarding MS Teams, we are always here to help you out. You can call any teacher, our coordinator Neeti ma'am, or our milestone coordinator Tina ma'am, or three of these LKG teachers are also here to help you out from any problem. And thank you at last for listening me very patiently. And now I'm going to hand over the mic. I think Rachna ma'am is here now. Rachna ma'am is again getting some network issue.
Good morning. I'm audible now?
Yes, now
I'm morning. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Rachna Sachdeva, and I'm the class in charge of LKG Rose, and it's a pleasure to have your child in our school. Please feel free to contact and for any query or situation you would like to discuss with us. And because we all have the same goal to help and make our children's lives better, you're free to contact us. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.